Welcome to video 2. Today we're going to talk about linear functions. Copy down the definitions and the notes for each of the linear functions here. Make sure you're getting all of the definitions and notes for the first 3 boxes and the last 2 boxes here. Now we're going to look at the examples. Starting at the top, we want to find the slope between 2 points. This is something you learned in Algebra 1, should be pretty simple. We have my x1, y1, x2, and y2, and we just calculate m using the slope. So I'll get 4 minus 6 over 1 minus negative 2, which is negative 2 over 3. And that's a negative slope, so if I was to graph that, the line would be going down like the negative shown in the picture. Looking at slope-intercept form, if we want to identify the slope and the y-intercept, we just look at our m and our b. So my m here is 2/3. And my b, or my y-intercept, is 6. Another way we can say that is 0, 6. And over here you could write 0, b if it's in this form. If we want to rewrite it into slope-intercept form, we solve for y equals. So we take the equation that we're given and we subtract the 4x over, so we'll get 3y equals negative 4x minus 6, and then we divide everything by 3, so that we have y equals negative 4/3 x minus 2, and that would be our final equation. If we wanted to graph this using slope-intercept form, we would put negative 2 over 1, that's rise over run, and my y-intercept is 5. So my first point that I plot is the y-intercept, which is 0, b. So I'm going to plot 0 and go up 5. Then I'm going to use my rise over run. It'll be down 2 and right 1. Down 2 and right 1 to create a few new points. Do at least 2 or 3 points so that you can see where the line is going to be. And your last step would be to connect those points. So you can go ahead and connect them. We put arrows at each end to show that the line goes on forever. The final example, we want to write the equation of the line with the given information. So we need to figure out what our slope is using x1, y1, x2, and y2. So we'll calculate that. And with that, we can get the equation. So 5 minus negative 3 is 8, over 4 minus 2 is 2. So my m equals 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then I use point slope form. So I can use either point here, but I'm just going to use the first one just for convenience. Whichever point you choose, make sure you only use that point. So I'll get y minus negative 3 equals 4 times x minus 2, and then just simplify that to y plus 3 equals 4x minus 8, because we distribute the 4. And then subtract the 3 from both sides to get y equals 4x minus 11. And that's how we write an equation from 2 given points. Now go on to the next page and try the practice problems. You want to find the slope of the line for the given graphs. Then you want to identify slope and y-intercept and graph the equation. And the last part, you want to write an equation in slope-intercept form remember that's y equals mx plus b, that passes through the given point and has the given slope. Make sure you use your notes to help you and get these problems done.